What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're working when checking in. Right here we got a 2021 Nisan Altima. 2021. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off this trim panel right here, this handle, and this mirror. Let's get to work, guys. I want you guys to get yourself a flathead screwdriver, small one. We're gonna take out this piece right here. Just hold back this door handle. Take this piece out. Pretty easy. Take that piece out. We're gonna take that piece out. We're gonna put it right up underneath here and pry it out. Just like that. Comes right out. Take that piece out. Alright? Once you guys take the two pieces out, there's a number 10 screw right there and another one right there. You could also use a Phillips as well. A Phillips screwdriver. I'm using the 10. Oh, it's faster. Time is money in the straight. See, that's one. That's two. Go ahead, use a flathead, put it back between the groove, take this piece off. Go ahead. Just go ahead and snap that piece out of there. Unlock it. You're gonna squeeze that blue button and take it out. Take that piece out. Then use the flathead screwdriver, guys. Put it right there between the groove. Put it right there between the groove. Just like that. Then you're going to pull the trim panel away from the door towards you. Just like that. See? Now it's loose. Now you're going to hold it, pull it off. Comes right out. Then you're going to undo the wires. The cable. These cables is for the lock. That's what opens the door. Guys, go ahead and mark them, okay? One goes in top, one goes in the bottom. So if you cannot remember which one goes to which, go ahead and mark it. That comes right off. See that? Comes right off. All right. Now, gonna let that bad boy sit right here for now. Now we're gonna take off this mirror. Okay, guys, go ahead and take off that black piece first. You use your clip puller, a clip remover. Take it out. Take that piece out. Undo the wire for the mirror. Guys, you see those two screws? Those are number 10. You can also use the Phillips as well, a Phillips. Take those 3 screws from there. That's 2. Before you move the last one, go ahead and hold the mirror. Three. That's that. Comes right out. That comes out, guys. That's how you take it out. Now, in order to get out this handle, you guys see that black piece right there? That black plug? Go ahead and take that black plug out. Inside there's a shiny screw. Alright, there's a shiny screw inside there, you're going to see. Alright guys, go get yourself a star tip. A T30 star tip. You're going to put it right between that hole right there. You see a shiny screw inside there. You're going to turn the screw to the left. Turn to the left. All the way. Then use a flathead screwdriver and put it. Gonna turn some more. See that, guys? It comes right out. Alright? Now, once you take that piece of out of there, You're gonna hold the speed and slide it out this way. And back. Hold it, and then backwards towards it. Just like that. It comes out. Okay guys, it comes out, right? But now this one guys, this one have a wire. You gotta go on the pin side and unplug the wire. Which means you're gonna peel the speeds back. You're gonna peel the speeds back, go on the inside and unplug the wire. You're gonna hold it, peel it off just like that, guys. You're gonna see a white plug right there, guys. A white plug. You're gonna unplug it. I'm gonna show you guys what the white plug looks like. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like, guys. See, guys, that white clip right there. This is the wire for the handle. So you're gonna squeeze right here, guys. See right here? You're gonna push this piece right here up. Gonna push it up, and you're gonna take out that wire. That's how you take out the handle. Alright guys, that's how you do it. Comes right out. Alright guys, thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you guys on that channel. Guys, please go in the link below and go subscribe to my next channel, guys. I got 2 channels. Alright, with that said, I'm out of here.